Have you ever noticed something strange? The people who talk the most about success are rarely the ones living it. While everyone is announcing their next move, posting every small achievement, and searching for applause. Someone else is quietly building a life no one sees. Then one day, success appears to arrive overnight. But it wasn't overnight. It was built in silence. Today's world rewards noise. Every platform encourages us to speak, to prove ourselves, to constantly explain what we're doing. But psychology reveals something fascinating. The more people announce their goals, the less likely they are to finish them. Why? Because the brain often mistakes public recognition for actual accomplishment. Receiving praise before earning results creates a false feeling of achievement. Your motivation slowly disappears. That's why disciplined people guard their ambitions. They protect their energy. They let their work speak later. This idea is deeply rooted in Stoicism. The Stoics believed your character matters more than your reputation. Reputation belongs to other people. Character belongs to you. One can disappear overnight. The other stays forever. Think about your daily life. How much energy do you spend trying to convince others you're improving? Now imagine investing that same energy into becoming impossible to ignore. Quietly, without announcements, without validation. That's where transformation begins. Silence is not weakness. Silence is concentration. When you stop reacting to every opinion, your mind becomes clearer. When you stop competing for attention, you begin competing with your former self. That competition changes everything. Psychologists call this internal motivation. Instead of working because people are watching, you work because excellence becomes your identity. No audience required. This is why many high performers disappear for months. They're not resting. They're rebuilding. They understand something most people never learn. Visibility should follow value, not replace it. Imagine planting a tree. Would you dig it up every week just to prove it's growing? Of course not. You trust the process. Goals work exactly the same way. Constant exposure damages growth. Protection creates strength. Stoic philosophy teaches us another powerful lesson. You cannot control what people think, but you can control your actions. Many people waste years trying to manage their image. The disciplined person focuses only on behavior. Eventually, behavior creates the image naturally, and that's far more powerful. Remember this: noise attracts attention. Results earn respect. Attention fades. Respect lasts. So the next time you feel the urge to announce your plans, pause. Ask yourself one question. Do I want applause today? Or freedom tomorrow?